Y'all, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video. This is a super impromptu mini tutorial that I will go into more detail on another video. Over the weekend, I did a impromptu pre-order sale for my boutique at Inflow, and I made over $600 in one weekend. And a lot of people since then have asked me, how did I do it? How do you set up a pre-order? So I'm hoping this video helps you guys get a quick overview of how I did that and how I set it up. And it's really no different from any other way you would set up to sell anything, but I'm going to show y'all how. I will go into more detail on a future video. So basically, a pre-order would be no different from a regular order on your store, on your site. Only difference would be the inventory. So I use Shopify, and basically what I did is I made sure my products was listed, the one I'm going to pre-order, and have my prices set up, have my shipping set up in Shopify. And from there, you would just set the inventory to whatever you want to set it to, which I had no inventory, I had zero. So I just set it to zero, which that really doesn't matter. It's just really for your own record keeping. And then the main thing that really matters is there's a box or an option in Shopify that says something along the lines of keep selling when inventory reaches zero, or keep selling when the inventory runs out, whatever that is. So whatever that option says, if it says check this box to keep selling it, or uncheck it if you don't want to keep selling it, do that, because that's the main thing. You don't want to set it up so once the inventory reaches zero, people can't purchase the item, because the whole purpose of the pre-order is to sell as much as you're going to order from your vendor or get from your manufacturer, whatever. So that's really it. And then you just make sure, don't do any little gimmicks or whatever. Make sure your customers know it's a pre-order and your item is going to ship at a later date, because the inventory is not in stock currently, so you're ordering it ahead of time. And that's it. So I hope this helps. I'll go into more detail in another video about my weekend. Y'all know I have my boss lady vlog, so I've documented that weekend where I made that much money, which was last weekend. And I hope this helps. If you have any questions, you can reach out to me. Make sure you follow at ShopEvanFlow on Instagram for updates. Make sure you sign up for my mailing list to know when I launch this month on shopevanflow.com. Thank y'all for watching. Wishing y'all success on success and blessings on blessings in your own businesses. And I will talk to y'all soon.